Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ether has fulfilled the minimum requirements for Circle Wave 5. It hasn't really moved since the last video, not much, but it has now fulfilled the minimum requirements in Wave 5 in that it made a new high and moved to 1900 plus, which was our target range. So anything above 1900 was acceptable for a Wave 5 of 3. So Bitcoin hasn't moved at all today. So that means also Ether is now ready for this Wave 4. So again, you may remember that we've said that for ETH, 2 more highs actually would be ideal, whereas for Bitcoin, 1 more high would be enough. So now they are basically aligned. So we just need to see if ETH now is going to form another corrective Wave 4 and then 5. But I can tell you that this can still stretch out higher, of course, this third wave. It's basically just sort of fulfilled minimum requirements. Let's take a look at what kind of levels ETH could still reach. So let's take the measurement here. I just need to make sure I've got all the extensions. So yeah, it reached here the 38.2 extension. That's basically the minimum, the minimum expectation. Next fib level would be 1976. So it would be quite a bit of a jump. If it keeps going from here, that would be the next level to watch. But not only that, so that's hopefully clear. I mean, I've adjusted support already to the last high, which means that it takes a break below 1679 for me to basically turn bearish on ETH. Don't see a need to do that at the moment. And then if we take a look at the daily chart, this just reminds you of the levels that we already discussed in previous videos. So let's go to the ETH daily chart. And here on the ETH daily chart, you can see that it's trying to break out of this resistance area, and that is also trying to break out of the corrective price channel to the upside. And then I gave you just some targets to check for the next levels, basically. And then we also have resistances at $2,030. That is this previous significant swing high. And above that, I've got the $2,150 level, which is this swinger, the 2023 high, basically. So anything, I think a break above that trend line could sort of spark a rally to next $2,030. I mean, 1976, I think it was just a target I gave you as next extension if this current wave extends, this wave 5, circle wave 5 of 3. But it still needs a 4 and 5 to actually fill in this wave 1. So this might actually sit a little higher. But this is just a daily chart, doesn't really show you the subdivisions. It just shows you just the bigger context, which is so important. Looking at $2,030, these two previous swing highs, and then $2,150 as next key resistances. So it's in Fibonacci resistance. I don't suggest we get rejected here. It might start this wave 4 from here, but I don't suggest a massive rejection yet. I would like to see, I mean, we still need to be on our toes, right? I mean, we still haven't got a larger 1-2 setup complete from here. So it's still not entirely confirmed that this low has been indeed a lasting, or that this is indeed a lasting low, this low of the 12th of October. But it's going that way. And, we said already weeks ago, we focus on higher, and currently this perspective has sort of paid for itself, played out basically, was worth taking. But just watch next for 1976, and the levels are clear. And as support, it's 1679. And overall, this entire support range is going to be relevant. So I don't suggest we come down to 1679. It's going to be a series of fibs that's relevant: 1815, 1763, 1721, and 1679. But overall, the trend is higher against these levels. Trend is up, So that's my update about ETH. I hope you will like the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.